Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here and another chatteroony. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Can't get it wrong if I do both. So yeah, it's over that one somewhere, one of them kind of areas, little thingy. Anyway, good morning. Well, sort of morning. It's late now. We got up and I had a bit of a, I almost cheated on my diet. Yesterday I saw a Facebook post and it had this big, tall, sumptuous chocolate cake and it looked so good. It looked, you looked at it and you could just taste the chocolate, and it had a fudgy gooey top, and I was just wanted one of those. And then after that it was littering up my mind, and so Gary said, well, why don't you just go and get something and just have a one off. And so last night I no, and I was strong. So this morning we had goose eggs to eat and we had not enough bacon out. So I thought, oh, you know what, why don't we just go and get a loaf of bread, eat those goose eggs and get the chocolate cake and get all the demons over with. And while we were on the way to the shop, Gary said, do you really want to do it? I mean, all that work? And I went, no, I don't now. So we get bacon. So, because normally what I dip in my eggs when I do dippy eggs is bacon. So I said, we'll just buy bacon. So, and I had some in the freezer, but it was frozen. So if you haven't seen one already, this is a goose egg. It's a huge, this one's a small one. You can get them bigger, but they are gorgeous. I have to say, if you've never had one of these and you get the opportunity, you have to boil it. So put it in boiling water, very, very tough shells. But if you put some salt in your water, then whatever eggs you're cooking, the shells don't crack. Just a little tip. Anyway, so 7 minutes you have to boil it for. And if it's bigger, maybe 7.5 to 8, because 7 was just perfect for that one. But they are the creamiest, loveliest eggs you've ever had. So yeah, that's what we had for breakfast, with bacon dipped in, and we didn't. And then on the way, after like Gary had talked me out of it and I said, no, that's it, we're not getting it, we'll just get bacon. He was then so we should have got so-and-so. So then I had to curb him. So at the moment, we're working like a double act, you know. He stops me from cheating, I stop him. But, you know, normally speaking, excuse me, she knows, I don't get those pangs, but it was just seeing it. And do you know what else is triggering us? At the moment, every single time we watch the TV, there's an ad for hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, oh my god, they're lovely. They're sumptuous with butter. And so yeah, that is triggering. But that chocolate cake triggered me. Oh my god, I fought it yesterday. Gary made me fight it today, so we didn't do it. The Remember When book, no, well, it's actually the best old folks jokes ever, but this is the Remember When section. Remember when you take a nap to get ready for bed? Well, don't really. I have to say, one of the things I would love to be able to do is sleep more, you know, but no, I can't say that I do. So let's do the next one, shall we? Your head makes dates your body can't keep. Now that's true. That's true. Quite often when, you know, we agree to go out or do something, when it actually finally comes up, I'm thinking like, oh, why did I say that? You know, it's just kind of like, oh, I'm old and exhausted. But I think part of it is, and I said to Gary that once we lose more weight, we'll want to get out more, we want to do more energetic stuff. But I'm a shrinking violet when it comes to being overweight. I get to a certain point where I just don't really want to be out there noticed, don't want to be seen, you know. I'm not that unsightly, it's just my own personal thing, you know. I get kind of wallflowerish. It is true story, this. So let's do, oh, hang on, it's weekend, so it's the same picture, isn't it? That's probably where I went wrong before, you know. You know, when I had the wrong day. It probably all stemmed from the weekend. I don't know. Or maybe I just ripped 2 off. I don't know. But I'm putting that one back every day. It's because it's double grow goose. When I open it, I get to see it. Well, I've got my winners video to do. And my little giveaway for my 16,500. Is it 16,500? Hold on. Oh, I don't know. This isn't my phone. Well, no, it is my phone, but it isn't the one. This is not the one. This is another one. I don't know if it's going to like log in. Oh, it is. Oh yeah, I've got 16,812. So I'm well past the 16.5. But I wasn't yesterday. So yeah, we'll do it. I will do it today. I couldn't do the last one. I flew by it and I just didn't even know. I probably flew by it in my sleep. But I can do it this time. So yeah. How cool is this, guys? How cool. I mean, it's all stemmed. It has all stemmed from me not doing the morning chats, but to be doing them at a time of day where it gives me something to do, because ordinarily that time of day is my oh no, not again time of day. You know, the boring bit where the game shows are on, or but funnily enough, now that I've decided to do my chats, then they've messed up Gary's game shows, and it's like they're not the same, and they will be back. You know, if it's not Deal or No Deal, it'll be Tipping Point with a new series, or at the moment it's Best Of. He doesn't care, he doesn't want to watch it. I've seen it all. So but yeah, that's what you call sod's law, isn't it? When you change something, something else impacts. But you know, I'm still carrying on doing that because it's given me so much more freedom during the day. So Rocksteady can benefit, because I will do some cooking over there soon with the Ninja. And today I ordered a new slow cooker because it's Gary who's decorating. The little thing at the front where you've got the knob that turns it to high, low, off, you know, that sort of thing. It came off. So it still works, but it's just not attached to the actual body anymore. So you see the wires. So Gary glued it and it just popped straight off again. So yesterday I was using it and I thought, I don't really want to see all these exposed wires. And I Gary said, oh, don't, when he got home, he said, don't let that light there touch the case. I went, you're joking? I've been pushing it everywhere. Well, it would trip the electric. I went, that's it, I'm buying a new one. If it's that bad, you know, and you don't want to be putting your fingers in somewhere you shouldn't as well, I'm getting a new one. So we're going to have to throw that one out as soon as it comes. But I ordered the same one because he said, but I like that one. I went, well, I'll get the same and it'll be perfect, you know, it'll be identical. So I'm just hoping it's not bigger. I think it's not. I think I got the massive family size one so that you could put a nice big kind of cut of meat in there and that sort of thing. Because I do like to slow cook my lamb sometimes and my beef just to make it extra tender. So yeah, I was taping it with, I put masking tape, you know what you use when you're decorating. There was a reel, so I thought, I'll go round the thing and stick it on there. And then the light wouldn't work, so you didn't know if it was on or off. Only by touching it, you know. Oh, it's getting warm, so it's on. So I thought, oh, enough is enough. It can go to the tip next time we go and meet its maker. So yeah, that's kind of my morning so far. Almost went out and cheated, but didn't. So proud of myself. Well, actually, I'm proud of Gary for stopping me. I'm proud of me for stopping Gary. So we got there. It's like a, you know, we're each other's inner voice of conscience. No, don't do it. And all that stuff. So I said I was going to do a tip video, and I ended up doing the stacking, double crochet, stacking, single crochet, whatever you want to call it, wherever you live. So I didn't do it as part of it. I did it as one. So I've got lots and lots. So I might just do that. And I want to practice a few first. See if they're worthy of having a video. I'm going to try the hat again today. and get stuck into the blanket. Hopefully I won't have another day where everything goes wrong, you know. So far it hasn't. My breakfast, oh, that reminds me of something Michael used to do. Watched a program once, and there was this kid, and he went breakfast, and that from that moment on, Michael does that every now and then. He'll go breakfast. Anyway, just popped into my head like it does randomly. Anyway, where was I? Oh yeah, my breakfast was perfect. Absolutely went perfectly. So that was a good start to the day. You know, didn't mess it up. I was going to tell you something else then. Went into a few live streams yesterday, last evening. Once Gary went to bed, I came in, do some work. Got sidetracked in Granny D's live. And so then I thought, bedtime now, you know. I'm getting tired. Went to bed wide awake. So I got up and I did some swatches. And then I thought, oh, look, WIP Crochet is live. Now, she's from Australia and I don't get to see her lives. I've seen her videos pop up on the YouTube streets. I don't, obviously not kind of being a creator, I don't watch that many other people's, but yeah, I see them, see the thumbnails, and you can't miss her thumbnails really. So yeah, I thought, oh, I'll pop in and say hello. So I did. It was quite interesting to see different yarn from across another humongous pond, because, you know, being as though they have 20,000 billion sheep, they have their own yarn, obviously, and wool, and they don't tend to have our brands, which is kind of interesting when you think about it. So I got her to show me all her yarns. It was quite fun. Yeah, and so I don't normally go in lives because that was in the, well, about what, 1, 2 in the morning. So I'm usually snoring by then. Oh, if I'm on a good day, I'm snoring by then. And yeah, so it made a change, but you know, it's only because a bit of insomnia came over me, and I was able to do it. But she said she's going to check out my channel, so I kind of hello if you're there. But yeah, it was fun though. It was fun sort of having a little mooch round, and but you know, keep getting distracted from what I was supposed to be doing. But I did get my work done. Yeah, I did. So that's all right. Gary sounds like he's knocking the house about. All he's doing is a little bit of wallpapering in the other bedroom, which looks really good. He's done very well. And then the next job he has is to put a couple of shelves up in the bedroom behind it. So that would be a little bit too difficult to work through doing videos. So that's why I'm doing this a little bit earlier than I normally would. So I'm going to get off, upload this one, and go out into the yarn van where I have some work to do. I started it yesterday. It's a beautiful sunny day, so it's going to be nice out there. I won't need any heaters on, so that would be good. And I need to order some of these cubby things. I've decided that I've got quite a lot of worktop spaces that I can put more of these on. So basically the whole side of where I have my yarn, if you've seen it before, you go in the door, right hand side is a big countertop. There's a lot of congestion on there, it could come off, and one of those cubbies could go there. It used to be there, funny enough. And then there's my packing area, my computer, my printer, and all of the goodies that I stuff in people's orders. Well, not all of them, but some. And on the left-hand side, the whole length of it, which is about 32 feet, is yarn in big boxes. You know those ones that seal, like they're plastic, really useful boxes type of thing. And they're all on the racking, and those are that shop yarn. But, oh, way more than that. And so it stacks in front of it now. So if I want to pack an order, the chances are, as I said sod's law earlier, I have to move all that stuff to get to the ones behind. So what I figured was I made a new kind of filming area there, and I put an old sideboard in there that we took out of the living room when we bought the new stuff. And it's a nice thing, but it's not really practical. So I might take that out and put cubbies, or stack that under a worktop and cubbies above, which is probably more like it, or make racking, by racking, I don't know. But on the left hand side as you go through the door is all of these, and they go the whole length from the door to the end, so probably about 15 foot of it, but they're all just one single layer. But there's lots of, I could do 2 layers, you know, I could put ones above it. So I figured that I might do that, because since I cleared out from in here, I have big sacks full of yarn and I need homes for it. It come home to me really just how much personal yarn I have, which is why I'm trying to get rid of some. Excuse me, I had a hiccup then. Anyway, I did say I was going. I do this all the time. I say I'm going and then I just think of something else and off I go. Anyway, another open with me has already popped up for you. But it's the little stitch markers that were inside. Very, very cute. They will go into orders. Whether I put a whole lot or just split them up and put them in, because I do have some that I've made. You've seen them probably. The little skull candy ones and others that I've been making. So yeah, I put those in. I've got sometimes I put darning needles in a little, it looks like a test tube really. I put those in, I put yarn in, if I know the person's a crocheter, then I might put magazine supplements in. If I know they're a knitter, then I've got loads of free patterns I pop in. But it's knowing. The only way I know is if someone orders a crochet hook or a knitting needle, or I know you're from my channel. That's the only way that I kind of know. But I always stuff loads of goodies if I can. And biscuits, you know, naughties, a few naughty ones as well. Anyway, I am definitely going. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now, guys.